Didn't know I was signing up for this. I'll take it. It don't matter.
Snow.
Enjoy the experience.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's metal. And I'm afraid that might be slick.
Oh, I hope not.
Oh yeah, I bet it is. Because it's graded. You can look down through it at the river.
Yeah, there's the campground down there.
Wow. Yeah, you can look through this bridge like the old chain of rocks.
Missouri River. On a very dicey bridge.
Yeah.
This is how we do naps. Leaving Lewis and Clark State Park. Traveling north to Sioux Falls today.
Leaving Enowanee, Iowa.
Onawa, Iowa.
Thought I'd have that name down by the time we left here after a week, but Enowanee is a beautiful little town.
It is.
Wonderful people.
Yes. On to the next.
Yep, Sioux Falls, here we come.
This is a treat in our campground, Pioneer Park in Montrose, South Dakota. Right here by our campsite. Come on, Moose. Getting his run on in Montrose. Population 492.
Smoked chicken, 2 pints of sides, 4 cornbread muffins, $70. Tired.
Most side roads in South Dakota, if you're not in town,
And we saw a speed limit.
are gravel.
And we saw a speed limit sign on them. 55. 65 on these paved back roads and 80 on the interstate.
Beautiful morning. You know that you are in cattle country, farmland. Wow, blue.
Some sort of treatment.
Whoa.
We're fixing to shoot these rapids. Yeah, we got some floaties for our arms. Wish it's luck.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
land an airplane. Experimental. I wonder what that thing is.
No doubt. Lots of work. Gotta find the comfortable spots out of the wind, but it's not just too bad. This is cool. The detail, man.
What is this, 100-year anniversary?
I guess it is. Yep. Drug dinosaur.
Cliff here.
Oh my gosh. Holy schnitzel.
You know what? We could put it right there.
Well.
I want to turn it around. I want to go up here on this tall one. And it's not going to be level. So.
Oh well.
Got stuck there in the mud. Let me get out here and walk just a little bit.
Our camping spot for the night. A view of the Badlands. There we are, right up there. Sunrise over the Badlands. Now the sun's up. Beautiful.